Since I was a sixth grader, a character trait that I've noticed I changed in was being more focused and more organized.
I learned that if you practice and keep going, you'll get better and better eventually.
I think I've gotten more mature and grown as a person.
I've gotten a lot more mentally tough.
I think I learned that I don't have to give up anymore. I just keep trying.
Being open-minded about stuff. No matter what, if you fail, you try your best.
When you go into my middle and 10th grade, you will learn a lot of things in FMMA, and you will do a lot of fun activities.
Well, don't be nervous. You're going to meet a lot of new friends. They're going to support you.
This middle school, all years of middle school have prepared me for high school, and I feel like I'm going to be ready.
Good evening, future Ripple families. I'm Mrs. Edward. I'm the proud principal of Fort Myers Middle Academy, and I'm joined tonight by Assistant Principal Dr. Fitzpatrick and Assistant Principal Mr. Peters. We are very excited to showcase our school with you tonight, so come on in and let's take a look.
At Fort Myers Middle Academy, we foster an environment of excellence. We give students the tools, instruction, and attention they need to do their very personal best. We believe in a growth mindset and the power of yet, and know that every student is capable of harnessing the brain power to master any challenge.
Our educators believe that students from every walk of life can become our best and brightest. We believe that rigor and discipline combined with a culture of acceptance and optimism create hope, and that's what every student needs. Here at FMMA, we have the joy of being a smaller campus, and with just 600 students, we can truly get to know every single student and build relationships in a way that leads to both scholastic and personal success.
We almost work as a parent in a household, where if you have a kid that's doing really well in one class and maybe not doing as well in another, that we talk to each other about that and see how we can support kids across the curriculum, across their classes.
Ripple students pride themselves in academics. 1 out of every 2 students is on the honor roll. Yes, that's over 300 students that have earned a 3.0 GPA or higher. Whether they're learning an industry certification in technology class or earning high school credit in algebra or in an online gifted class, our Ripples demonstrate true grit.
I think one overlooked thing is we really support high-performing students. So whether your student is a struggling learner or a high performer, there's a place for them.
Fort Myers Middle School is the only middle school in the district with a deaf and hard of hearing program, and we are a nationally certified AVID school. AVID stands for Advancement via Individual Determination. It's a national college readiness program that propels our college-bound students forward and drives our learning strategies campus-wide. We are very proud to report that Ripple students go on to study in the most prestigious IB, AP, capstone programs in the district.
We owe all this to a combination of awesome students and well-trained teachers. Yes, 1 of every 4 teachers on our campus has a master's degree. 3 Fort Myers Middle Academy staff members were named by the Florida Department of Education as 2018 High Impact Teachers. Not only do we have a Golden Apple winning teacher on staff, but our very own principal is a Golden Apple recipient. In short, your children are being taught by true professionals, and with 1 teacher per every 16 students on campus, it's evident that we are committed to highly personalized and powerful education.
In addition to all our student academic successes, we also thrive with student life initiatives. We were this year's county golf champions, and for the 2nd year in a row, we were the boys basketball county champions.
Our boys basketball team won the district championship this year. Huge kudos to Coach Montavo and his kids. They fought hard, they fought well. It was a pretty spectacular season for them. It was very exciting to watch.
We are very proud to show off our championship banners and our newly renovated gym. In addition to our 7-team sports, we offer awesome opportunities like the STEP Team, National Junior Honor Society, Sign Language Club, yearbook club, college reach out program, 100 Black Men mentorship program, and more. We also, of course, have our flourishing fine arts program.
I think that it's a good opportunity for them to explore their own creativity, kind of discover their voice. It's also kind of stress relieving, so I think that they have that opportunity to kind of decompress a little bit and relax and kind of figure themselves out.
5 of our students were named to this year's All-County Chorus. Our band students earned stellar remarks at the district's music performance assessments. And 10 of our student artists have work on display at the school district.
We're one of only 3 schools to offer the 21st Century Learning Grant.
Here at Fort Myers Middle School, we have great before and after school programs. Before school and after school, we have a 21st Century extended learning program called Extracurriculars from 8:15 to 9:15 in the morning with Art and Spark, which is PE program, and in the afternoon from 4:05 to 5:30 with project-based learning in math, science, and ELA.
We offer the total package here at Fort Myers Middle Academy. We take very seriously that we have been servicing our community for over 65 years. Many of your neighbors, many of the business people and community members of Fort Myers have walked these historic halls, and we continue to take seriously the tradition of excellence at Fort Myers Middle Academy. We at Fort Myers Middle Academy make every day a great day for our students, our staff, and our faculty. We are so excited for you to join us next year in riding the wave of success at Fort Myers Middle Academy.